Thank you, Earth, precious Earth, for providing arable lands, fresh air, and abundant seas, and so much more, so that we may all flourish. Most of all, thank you for sharing your beauty with us. And so we honor and celebrate you. This video is dedicated to some of our favorite Earth stewards, Washington Trails Association for helping us to connect to the outdoors in a way that supports a natural environment, PCC Community Markets and other food co-ops in the Pacific Northwest for doing all the work they do so that we can easily buy healthy and natural foods, and for a company called 4Ocean that creates products from plastic waste recovered from the ocean. If you like this video, consider commenting, liking, or subscribing. Thank you.